Carefully, the old memories knocked on my door. You've been on my mind for a minute, but now no more. You've been on my mind for a minute, but now no more. But now no more. Waking up now, wondering where I've been, me by your side. Waking up now, wondering what I wish you by my side. Waking up now, wondering where I've been, me by your side. Waking up now, wondering what I wish you by my side. But now no more. Winter rainfalls are more than due, but I'm not crying like the garden leaves. You've been on my mind for a minute, but now no more. You've been on my mind for a minute, but now no more. But now no more.
All of a sudden, things have changed. Stay inside and we will survive. World is in pause, the earth applauds, and we are breathing better. Don't we move? It should improve. Stay at home over the phone. All is so quiet, too quiet. And there is chaos, chaos, chaos outside. Chaos, 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 chaos. Children don't play. It's not okay. The threat is too strong, too strong. Don't get it wrong, and keep your distance from your loved ones, loved ones. Don't we move? It should improve. Stay at home over the phone. All is so quiet, too quiet. And there is chaos, chaos, chaos outside. Chaos, 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 chaos outside.
I remember laughing and playing games. I could always tell you what I want to say. Baby, did you feel the same? I remember laughing and playing games. When you came and took a seat right next to me, ice was running through my vein. And then you looked at me when I fell down. You picked me up above the ground, and that moment then I knew we'd have the summer of our lives together was first love. I was out of hell. Let me tell you, baby, this is not a game. Let me tell you, darling, you were not the same. Let me tell you everything that I need to say, 'cause you were not the same. That night was so insane. What a time we had. Didn't have a